only stakeholder in the entire Indian agri system who takes risk all the time and all the while is the poor farmer, literally with no support to fall back on.
India's agricultural production contributes to 15% of its GDP and accounts for employment of nearly 58% of its workforce. In a vast country like India, financial inclusion becomes imperative to the inclusive growth process and sustainable development. Financial inclusion is delivery of financial services at an affordable cost to vast sections of underserved and unserved citizens of the country at their doorstep. Unfortunately, marginal and landless farmers are significantly excluded from the financial mainstream.
మేము వేరే బ్యాంకులకు వెళ్ళేది, వేరే బ్యాంకులకు వెళ్తే చాలా తిరిగిగా కాళ్ళు అరుగుతుండే. అప్పుడు
గవర్నమెంట్ అప్పులు ఇవ్వకపోతే ప్రైవేట్ వాళ్ళ దగ్గర అప్పులు తెచ్చుకుంటే 5 రూపాయల మిత్తి పడుతుంది. ఆ అప్పుల బాధ లేక కొంతమంది ఆత్మహత్యలకే పాల్పడుతున్నారు.
The farmer has minimal choices and gets production credit from the NABARD stream at the Primary Agricultural Cooperative Society (PACS) or a distant commercial bank. The formal lending takes 30 to 45 days with enormous documentation. Due to demand and supply gap and delays in service, around 50% of the farmer's agricultural credit requirement is met through the informal channel, compelling the farmer to borrow at rates of interest as high as 48% to 120% per annum to meet their total credit needs. Commercial banks have enormous financial resources, but do not have the reach and mechanism to ascertain the creditworthiness of the farmers. The cooperative structure has the reach but paucity of resources. The innovative model of co-options brings together the reach of the cooperative structure and the resources of the commercial banking structure with appropriate technology to provide a mechanism to fulfill the farmers' needs.
సూసైడ్ ద్వారా ఏదైతే ఉన్నాయో మాకు అన్నీ అందుబాటులో ఉన్నాయి. ఇథనాల్ కానీ ఫర్టిలైజర్స్ కానీ ఏదైనా మనకు సరైనట్టు అందుతున్నాయి. మేము ఇక్కడ రుణాలు తీసుకున్నారనుకున్నా మేము ఇక్కడనే తీసుకుంటున్నాం. అన్నిటికీ సౌకర్యం ఇక్కడనే.
తిరుగుళ్ళు ఇప్పుడు ఏం తిరుగులే, ఇంటికి వచ్చినట్టే ఇంట్లోకి వెళ్ళి వచ్చి తీసుకొని పోవడే ఉన్నది. మాకు అన్ని సౌకర్యాలు బాగా ఇన్ని పెంచి ఇప్పుడు 40,000 కాడికి పెంచారు.
ఈ కోఆప్షన్స్ వారి సాయంతో ఏదైతే యూనియన్ బ్యాంక్ ఇండియాను టైఅప్ చేసి సొసైటీల ద్వారా రైతులకు ఈ రుణాలు అందిస్తున్నారో చాలా మెరుగైన సేవలు అవి చాలా బాగున్నాయి.
Co-options and Union Bank of India under Sahakara Pragati scheme of Government of Andhra Pradesh and with the active support of APCOB and DCCBs has provided timely agricultural credit to 7,500 farmers to the tune of Rs 23 crores in 3 districts: Nizamabad, East Godavari and Chittoor. Union Bank of India, appreciating the strength of the co-options model, has chosen the PACS as hubs for financial inclusion and rural transformation. Co-options and Union Bank of India plan to expand the credit offering through the PACS channel to Rs 500 crores in coming season by extending it across the state with the support of APCOB, DCCBs and the PACS. The key aspects of innovation by co-options, which made financial inclusion a reality, has provided the farmers, the PACS and the banks far-reaching benefits. There are 1 lakh primary agricultural cooperative societies in India. reaching out to 10 crore individual farmers across the country, covering 60% of rural India. In Andhra Pradesh, the cooperative structure with AppCorp, its 22 DCCBs and 557 branches, along with 2,748 packs, is reaching out to 1 crore individual members covering 28,000 villages. This is one of the largest networks capable of addressing the challenge of financial inclusion at a national level. Instead of just being a seasonal delivery outlets, cooperative societies are fast transforming into banks, marketplaces, thus bringing vibrance into the economic landscape of the villages.
While the rest of the IT industry was looking westward, we at Co-options, with a passion to transform the rural communities, have decided to offer the much needed support to bring the Indian farmer out of this systemic crisis of financial exclusion.
Co-options, changing the face of rural India.